Coughing during pregnancy, dangerous or totally safe? Myth, it harms your baby. Fact, most of the time, it doesn't. Your baby is protected inside the uterus with amniotic fluid acting like a cushion, so coughing doesn't affect your baby. But see a doctor if you have a long cough, fever, breathing issues, or chest pain. Stay hydrated, rest well, and no self-medication.